Brief, accurate and important news of today's Monday. The Ministry of National Defense official told the nation in the Government Accountability Program that they have repaired nearly 50,000 military vehicles, including aircraft and armored tanks. Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, acting Minister of Interior Affairs, said at a public meeting in Uruzgan province that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has moved towards progress. Honorable Haqqani assured that special attention will be paid to health, education, construction and reconstruction of highways and dams in Uruzgan. The Economic Deputy of the Department of Ministers says Afghanistan is the nearest and safest route for transit in power transfer between Central and South Asia. The Supreme Court says the courts of Baghlan province resolved 4,612 cases, in addition to issuing 4,371 various documents during the year 14-1. The officials of the Ministry of Education told the nation in the accountability program of the government, 100,000 new posts have been approved for madrasas Darul Hifz and Darul Uloom, and the practical steps of hiring these posts have also started. Officials of the Ministry of Higher Education told the nation in the Government Accountability Program, in the past year 90 curricula of different faculties have been reviewed and completed. The General Director of Afghan Tour State Company says that in 14-1 about 2,700 foreign tourists came to Afghanistan for tourism. Maulavi Muhammad Nabi Baha adds that 67 million Afghanis have been collected from tourism in the past year. Kabul municipality says from Badambagh to Baghi Bala, the construction work of the connecting road has started.